Stellar introduced the Hooklift to North America in 1990, and it continues to be the most versatile truck around.
It just seems like we're always finding new applications for the Hooklift. Hooklifts are really the Swiss Army knife of trucks.
It takes a truck of any kind and it puts it into an application where you can do multiple things with the truck.
Stellar Hooklifts provide a quicker, safer way to change truck bodies, so a single operator can do more with one truck.
With the scarcity of CDL drivers in every industry, it's a great way to minimize the number of drivers you have to have.
It's just different containers that you can pull onto a truck because it has a Stellar Hooklift on it that allows the operator to get full utilization out of a truck using it for different applications.
When most people think of a Hooklift, they think of the refuse industry. Other major markets are the landscaping market, the rental equipment market. Municipalities is a big market for Hooklifts.
We see more and more where contractors may use a Hooklift to deliver items to a construction site.
Once again, it goes back to flexibility. They can use a flatbed to haul equipment to and from job sites. They can put a dump body on to haul aggregate. They can put on a water tank.
So we're doing all these activities, delivering an office, delivering equipment, delivering a water tank to spray down a construction site, to hauling away debris, to hauling rocks and dirt at a construction site, all done with one truck.
It's a lot quicker, a lot safer, and the operator's all doing it from the cab of the truck.
You're looking at cycle times, you're looking at safety of your operators. They don't have to get out of the truck. They don't have to worry about slips and falls. They don't have to get between a truck and a container.
So more operation to be done in a given workday.
With more than 40 models available, including the advanced NXT series, and compatibility with an almost endless array of bodies, there's almost no limit to what you can do with a Stellar Hooklift.
It's about revenue in the pocket of the operator. If you run a truck for a year, let's say you make 300 more picks with a Hooklift than you can with a cable system, that's that much more revenue in the pocket of the operator.
Talk with our knowledgeable team or your distributor to find the ideal Stellar Hooklift for your operation.